I like your hair, Beth. It's very classy.
That's what I thought.
A bit complicated for me. I'm more of a wash and go girl myself.
Oh, no, it's just a clipping hairpiece. 30 seconds to waz it in and you're transformed into a goddess. Should have been an hairdresser, me. I love chatting. Having a confab about people's holidays. Mind you, not to show about all that standing up.
Oh, yeah, sitting's better.
Yeah, I love a good sit.
Excuse me. Sorry, ladies. You got any smoked paprika?
No, sorry.
Cayenne pepper?
Nope.
Oregano?
Do you want to take a wild guess?
It's a bit of old parsley that's come off the ark. Will that do you?
There's not much call for that poncy stuff round here.
Yeah, what are you making anyway?
Stuffed marrow.
Oh, my mate's mum used to make that.
Is that Deirdre? Yeah, I knew her.
Oh, friend? Relative?
I'm Robert, Tracy's ex-husband.
She said you were back on the scene. If you want to be a lover, you got to get with a friend. I'm a busy mate.
You're her only mate.
Hey, watch your mouth, you. Be nice to me, and I might put a good word in for you because she listens to me.
Well, Tracy listened to anyone. That'll be a first. So, you're the one I should come to get the gossip. It's been a good few years.
Yeah, it might take her a while. Never a dull moment with Tracy.
Everyone slags her off, but once you get to know her, she's got an heart of gold.
She's one in a million.
Yeah, she sure is.
Oh, cheers, Sophie, you're a star.
Luke, I can't believe you texted me to bring your biscuits over.
Stop complaining, it's only 20 steps from there to here.
Exactly, so why couldn't you come to me?
Busy, you know how it is.
Bone idle, more like.
I just won us a new contract.
Oh, great. Who with?
Cab company in Worsley.
We're going to be getting another mechanic.
Well, I'm sure we can handle it.
We're already stacked out.
Oh, you won't be moaning when you're raking in all that overtime, will you?
Oh, he's too busy to walk across the street to collect his own biscuits, apparently. Goodbye.